Hello there. We're going to look at this little gem of a problem where you are given 2 points, and we're going to look for the equation of the line given those 2 points. So the first thing I'm going to do is sort out which of these is x, which of these is y, and label them x1, y1, x2, y2. Now I'm going to plug that into my slope formula, making sure, remembering that the y's are on top. It's the difference of the y's over the difference of the x's, and plug in those values. And I have to note here that the 3 and the 8, those are directly on top of each other. -2 and -17, those are directly on top of each other too. If I mismatch them, it's not going to line up. Also, I have minus and negative in here, so I'm going to go ahead and change that to plus a positive, chop it. And now I'm going to figure out what that equals. 25 over 5, and this reduces to 5, and this is the slope. Once I have that, I'm going to write the basic structure of the line. All lines need to be in this y equals mx plus b point or slope-intercept form, and I know that the slope in this case is 5, so I'm going to plug that in for the slope over here, m. From here, I want to figure out what the y-intercept is equal to b, and I can use either of the points up here, -2, -17, or 3, 8, so I'm going to pick one. I am going to go with 3, 8 because they're both positive, and insert those in for the x and the y respectively. So when the x value is 3, that produces a y value over here of 8. And then we'll multiply this out and solve for b, the y-intercept. b is -7. Now I'm going to combine all of this information that the slope is 5 and this b is -7. This is the y-intercept. I'm going to combine that, write the equation of the line. And here we go, y equals 5x minus 7. There actually is a different way to go about it, so if this way works fine for you, go ahead, keep doing that. But there's a different way once you get this slope part equal to 5. So I'm going to do that over parallel here on the right. This one hinges on using a third point, xy, this is called the point slope form, and finding the slope between this third point xy and one of the 2 previous points. So I'm going to use 3x. The change in y's this time is y minus 8 over the change in x's, x minus 3. But all 3 of these points are on the same line, and that rate of change is constant throughout, and I know that that slope is 5. So this has to be equal to 5. This is already the equation of a line for me. X and y, however, on the same side. Got to get them on different sides, so I'm going to multiply both sides by x minus 3. From here, I'll distribute that 5 across to each term. 5x times x, 5 times -3 is -15, and add 8 to both sides. And we get to the exact same thing that we had on the other side, just a different way. Thanks for watching. Character and Scholarship for Life.